Debrma, Bana Darlong,
Tapok Songni, Sak Bedokmung, Panda Jolly.
आज जो त्रिपुरा में 88 एनएलएफटी ने सरेंडर किया है, मैं उनको स्वागत किया है, सही धारा में आए हैं और साथ ही साथ त्रिपुरा के उन्नयन के लिए जिस दिशा में त्रिपुरा सरकार काम कर रहे हैं उस दिशा को प्रगति देने के लिए और उसको जोर देने के लिए आज जिन लोगों ने जो स्वाभाविक जीवन में वापस आया है उनका भी भूमिका अभी रहेगी।
We hope and we are very hopeful that the new government in the state and BJP government at the center, they are doing a good job for the people and for the what you call Janajati in Hindi, and for the indigenous people of the state, they are doing well. And we have seen the whole India is developing under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji, and we are hopeful that even in my state they are doing good, and we are thinking that each and every demand will be fulfilled by the Indian government, and the state is there to help us, and we are there to cooperate each other and to work for the development of the state and the indigenous people.